Welcome to our unboxing of the AmbaSAT 1 satellite kit. If you're not familiar, AmbaSAT provides a satellite kit, and their mission is to make space exploration accessible, essentially democratizing access to space education through the use of real world satellite development and launch, which is quite interesting. These kits are designed to go to low Earth orbits. So we're going to open this one, take a closer look. Very important, if you decide to purchase one of these kits, get yourself an ESD mat, ESD strap, gloves, because you don't want to damage the electrostatic sensitive devices. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to attempt to remove the plastic with these gloves I have on. Let's see here. Okay, and we have some tape here. So let me quickly remove that. All right, so now we open the kits. Voila. We have here a decal, AmbaSAT 1 decal, a leaflet with congratulations, an inventory of what's in the box, connector, quite certain this is going to be for the programming interface, leads, obviously battery pack, assuming for testing, programmer, the actual sprite satellite itself, the sensor, and then additional components. We'll be taking a closer look at these assets to see how they come together to form the sprite satellites, and we'll obviously share that journey with you. Thank you.